In this inequality, the first step is to perform the inverse operation to clear the fraction. So we'll multiply both sides by 7. Let me write it in a form that might be easier to understand. X plus 6 divided by negative 7 is less than negative 1. If I multiply both sides by negative 7, I'll clear the fraction. So on the left-hand side, the negative 7's clear, and on the right-hand side I get a positive 7. But I have to flip the sign because I've multiplied both sides by a negative. So I get x plus 6 is greater than positive 7. The next step is to subtract 6 from both sides. After we perform that inverse operation, the 6's are gone on the left-hand side, so I get x is greater than 1, which is the solution to the inequality.